All right, so overall, can you just give us your thoughts on the match today?
I think we did well to score so many goals against them. Obviously, we knew what we needed to do in this game. We didn't top the group with the goals, but we scored a lot. We got close to the target, but it was good to have a clean sheet in the tournament now and get close to what we aimed to do. So I think we need to carry this on into other games because we can end games like this with high scores, with the quality we have in this team. So I think it was a good game, but unfortunately not to top the group, but we're still through, so that's what counts.
Talk a little bit about your performance.
I think I did well defensively. I think I held my ground 1v1, and towards the end I did get a bit tired with the recovery runs, but I think I had a good performance overall. A good performance. I did get a goal that was disallowed, to be fair, but hopefully I can get another one later on in the tournament. But happy to win the game, do you know what I mean? But yeah, overall happy with my performance.
So you guys are not sure, we have to wait a little bit to find out who you play in the quarters?
Yeah.
Can you talk about the mentality going into the quarterfinals?
The mentality, whoever it is, we just need to continue to do what we've been doing and continue to, no matter who it is, play our way and show the quality that we have in the team. So whoever it is, we just know we need to go and win the game and progress.
And then talk a little bit about the vibes with the team and in the locker room. Right?
Yeah, no, it's a very happy, joyful locker room, and we know that we're together, we're a family, so we stick together. So it's like a family vibe and a happy, joyful type of vibe in the change room, which makes it much easier to play as well when you know the players, when you gel well, like off the pitch. So it's a good environment.
Your thoughts on the match?
Yeah. So obviously we came into the game with good momentum. We knew St. Kitts was going to be a tough game, so even though they had a few goals past them in their matches, we first thought just get the win, get over the line, and then I think once we got the first goal, it gave us a lot of momentum and tried to get a few more. So definitely a good game in the end.
Yeah, take us through your goal and your contribution.
Yeah, definitely a proud moment for me, getting my first goal for Jamaica, so really proud for me and my family. Obviously, I thought it was going to get delivered straight into the box, but it got played across, and then obviously when I got it, I think it was just instinct really, just a Cruyff and then left foot shot. So just happy it went in.
So now you're going into the quarterfinal, and we're not sure who you're going to face, but just talk about the mentality going into the quarterfinal in the locker room.
Yeah, obviously this game again, just building momentum really. I think taking every game to get better and better. So definitely momentum into the quarterfinals, and honestly, whoever we face, it's us they should be scared of.
Yeah, and then that kind of touches on it, but just the attitude in the locker room and the vibes of the team.
Yeah, honestly, there's a very, very special group. You know, we've got a bunch of experience and then some younger lads in the team, so it's a very, very good mix. Everyone's learning off each other, getting better. So, yeah, momentum into the quarterfinals, and obviously we don't know who we're going to face, so whoever we face, we're going to give it our best and try to get the win.
That's it. Thank you, man.
Nice one.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.